Hey guys, welcome to the 19th tutorial of data structures and thanks for the support and for reaching 1,000 subscribers and Teachers of Backbenchers YouTube channel and constantly support us. Like, share and comment the video, and if any doubts in the video you can directly comment or message me in the comment section. And this is the last tutorial of stack ADT. And so far we have completed list ADT and we have gonna finish the stack ADT. This is the last application of stack ADT, which is infix to postfix conversion. In previous video we have seen the rules and regulations of infix to postfix conversions and in the next video we will be seeing what is a Q and a QADT. In this tutorial what we are going to see is we are going to convert this expression A star B plus within bracket C minus D slash E. This expression we are going to convert it into a postfix expression. We all know that this is an infix expression as the operators are in between the operands, right? Now, what we are going to do is we are going to select each character one by one and we are going to see how each step differs from one another until the final step of totally completing the postfix expression, right? Now, let's assume we are going to select the first character, that is step 1. Step 1 we are going to select the first character A. Okay. Rule number 1, if we are scanning a character as an operand, directly push it to the output. Simple. So this is step 1. Okay. Then step 2, if we are scanning for a operator, then push it to the stack. Okay. So at the end of step 2 we are pushing the operator into the stack. Okay. So step 2 is over. Okay. Now moving on to step 3. The next character is an operand. Operand means we have to push it to the output. Okay. Then the next character is plus. Okay. So step 4 is plus. Now it gets trickier. Okay. Now we are going to, if we are scanning for an operator, then what we should do, as per rule 2, we should push it into the stack. Correct. But if this plus is pushed into the stack, how it will be? It will be plus and asterisk, right? Where plus is a lower priority, below which star is a higher priority, which combination is not allowed inside a stack. So lowest priority and highest priority should not be in this combination. So what we are going to do is, before inserting the plus operator, we are popping out the asterisk operator. So pop out the asterisk operator to the output. Okay. So now the stack is free and this plus is being inserted or pushed into the stack. So at the end of step 4, inside the stack there is an operator called as plus and in output it is called as AB star. Right? Now next step, step number 5. What we are going to do is we are going to scan the character, open parenthesis. Okay? So open parenthesis. If you are coming across an open parenthesis or a left parenthesis, what we are going to do is we are going to push it into the stack. So open parenthesis is being pushed onto the stack. Okay. Now next one is, the next character is C. The character C is called as an operand. So operand is directly pushed to the output. So far it's clear, right? And next one is the minus operator, which is inside the brackets, right? So next character is, actually the step 6 is scanning the element C, where the C is pushed on to the output. Okay, so this is step 6. Next one is step 7, where we are going to scan the value or operator minus. Okay, so we are going to, if it is an operator, we are going to push it into the stack. So minus will come inside the stack. Now you can ask a question that minus is also lower priority and plus is also lower priority. How come both the lower priority is possible over here? It is not actually possible, but in this case we are having a separate brackets inside it. So as there is a left parenthesis inside a stack between the plus and the minus, so the part which is above the open bracket is a separate segment when compared to the previous segment. So the plus is a separate segment and minus comes under the open parenthesis, which is a separate segment. Okay, so that's why we are not considering lowest priority and lowest priority in this case, in this situation. Okay, so now next one is step number 8. So step number 8, we are going to scan the value D. So D is an operand, so obviously we are going to push it to the output. Okay, next one, step number 9, where we are going to scan the operator slash. Okay, so now we are going to push it onto the stack. So while we are pushing this operator onto the stack, what we are going to do is we are checking for the priority symbols, right? So if slash comes inside, slash is the highest priority and minus is the lowest priority, which is possible in according to the stack combinations, right? So highest priority is in the top side and lowest priority in the bottom side. So this combination is accepted. Okay. Now step number 10. In step number 10, we are going to select the operand called as E. Okay. So if we are coming across an operand, what we should do? Just push it onto the output. Okay. Simple. And the last step, step number 11. In step number 11, we are coming across a right parenthesis. Okay. In step number 11, right parenthesis, we are right parenthesis means what we have to do? We have to pop out all the operators inside the stack until we reach the left parenthesis. Okay, so we are going to pop out the elements. So the last element inserted was slash, which is being popped out first. Okay, then minus after that, and then completing with the close parenthesis. We should not insert the open and close parenthesis in the output symbol. Okay, and the last operator is hash. Hash indicates the end of the expression. So what we are going to do is we are going to pop out all the operators or all the variables which are inside the stack once we reach the end of the equation. So plus. So with this we have completed the conversion. So now what we are going to do is we are going to convert this equation manually so that we are going to check the same output which we have got using a stack. Okay. Now let's take the same expression. Okay. A star B plus within brackets C minus D slash E. Okay. So this is the equation which we have got. First priority in board mass rule is that we should complete the brackets. Okay. So BOD MAS, board mass. So within brackets, so C minus D slash E. So highest priority goes for slash. Okay. Now this slash operator is being converted into a postfix initially. So C and minus stays as it is. So D slash E is converted into DE slash. Step 1. Okay. Then next step. Now this is taken as A and this is taken as B and minus is taken as a middle operator. So C minus DE slash. So left hand side minus right hand side, which is equal to left, right and minus. So C DE slash and then minus operator. Okay. So within this part we have completed the bracket segment. So remaining part is A star B plus. Now coming out of the bracket. Coming out of the bracket we have two operators, star and plus. The highest priority goes for star. So A star B is being converted into AB star. So AB star plus remains the same and the right hand side also remains the same. CDE slash minus. Okay. Now this is taken as left hand side, right hand side and operator. Okay. So postfix is considered as left, right and then operator. Correct. So now what we are going to do is the final answer is left hand side, which is AB star, and right hand side, which is CDE slash minus, and finally the least prioritized operator plus. Okay. So final answer which we have got is AB star CDE slash minus plus, which is exactly the same value as we have done through the stack operator. Right. So these two values are matching each other, which means the infix to postfix conversion using stack operation is successful, right? So this can be done to n number of steps if we have choosing the rules and regulations correctly, and as well as we have maintaining the board mass rule properly. Okay, so this is infix to postfix conversion using stack method, and the last application of stack is being completed. And in the next coming with this we have completed the stack ADT. In next upcoming videos we will be seeing what is Q, what is QADT, and what are the types of QADT, what are the various implementations of QADT, and etc. Okay, so thanks for your support, and support us more. Like, share and comment the video. Any doubts, any clarification, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, and until we meet in the next tutorial, it's Karthikeyan signing off.